Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at 3 of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Selkirk Sport Vanguard Power Air Pickleball Paddle. The Selkirk Sport Vanguard Pickleball Paddle lineup offers 3 high-performance models tailored for different play styles: the Vanguard Power Air, Vanguard Pro, and Vanguard Control. All paddles are engineered using cutting-edge materials and technologies to meet the needs of competitive players. The Vanguard Power Air is designed for maximum power and spin. It features an aerodynamic design with an open throat and edgeless construction for faster swing speeds. The carbon fiber surface and unique 360 degrees proto-molding enhance responsiveness and strength, while the flex foam perimeter increases stability and enlarges the sweet spot. The Vanguard Pro offers a well-rounded performance, balancing power, spin, and control. It uses Selkirk's Quad Carbon Plus Face, a raw carbon fiber hitting surface designed for superior spin and long-term durability. Like the Power Air, it includes 360 proto-molding and flex foam technology, delivering a solid, consistent feel on every shot. For players who prioritize precision, the Vanguard Control provides exceptional feel and touch. Its construction emphasizes softness and feedback, making it ideal for strategic play and net control. The raw carbon fiber face still offers spin capabilities, but its core and frame are optimized for finesse. All 3 paddles use Selkirk's advanced carbon fiber technologies to ensure high durability, consistent performance, and a professional-level playing experience. The 360 degrees proto-molding technique ensures a seamless and strong paddle structure, while flex foam helps absorb shock, reduce vibration, and expand the sweet spot across the face. Whether you're a power player, an all-around athlete, or a control-focused strategist, the Vanguard series offers a tailored option to elevate your game. These paddles reflect Selkirk's commitment to innovation and quality craftsmanship in the evolving world of pickleball. Number 2. Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle. The Head Radical Elite Pickleball Paddle is designed for intermediate to advanced players seeking a balance of power, control, and comfort. Built by Head, a trusted name in racket sports, this paddle combines quality materials with a performance-focused design to elevate gameplay. At its core, the Radical Elite features a composite hitting surface paired with a thick polypropylene honeycomb core, which together deliver a solid feel and reduced vibrations. The paddle is part of Head's Radical line, known for offering a blend of power and touch, making it ideal for aggressive yet strategic play. Its ergonomic grip with a tacky texture provides excellent control and comfort, reducing fatigue during extended play sessions. The paddle's weight averages around 8.1 ounces, placing it in the mid-weight category, which offers a nice balance between maneuverability and powerful shots. The elongated handle supports two-handed backhands, catering to players transitioning from tennis. Its wider face provides a generous sweet spot, making off-center hits more forgiving. Visually, the Radical Elite sports a bold, modern design with Head branding, signaling its high-performance pedigree. While it doesn't include some of the premium technologies found in Head's higher-end models, it delivers impressive value and consistency at a more accessible price point. In summary, the Head Radical Elite is a well-rounded pickleball paddle that combines power, control, and comfort, ideal for recreational players aiming to step up their game. With its durable construction, comfortable grip, and solid performance, it's a smart choice for players looking to improve without breaking the bank. Whether you're playing competitively or for fun, the Radical Elite offers the tools needed for a responsive, enjoyable experience on the court. Number 3. Onix Graphite Z5. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 is a high-performance pickleball paddle designed for both recreational and competitive players. It features a graphite face paired with a fiberglass core, providing excellent touch and power, making it suitable for players looking for precision and responsiveness during gameplay. The paddle is lightweight, making it easy to handle, especially during quick volleys and fast-paced exchanges. A standout feature of the Mod Z5 is its cushion comfort grip, which offers a soft, ergonomic feel. This grip enhances player comfort, reducing hand fatigue during extended play while improving overall control of the paddle. The grip's texture ensures a solid hold, even during intense play, contributing to better consistency and precision in shots. The graphite surface provides a durable yet responsive feel, delivering both control and power. The fiberglass core enhances its overall strength, resulting in a solid hit while still offering enough flex for a soft touch when necessary. This combination of materials makes the paddle versatile for various playing styles, including both aggressive and defensive approaches. In terms of design, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 boasts a sleek aesthetic, with the carbon fiber face offering a polished, modern look. This design isn't just for aesthetics, it plays a role in the overall durability and performance of the paddle. Additionally, the paddle's lightweight construction ensures easy maneuverability, making it ideal for quick reactions at the net. Overall, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 is a well-rounded pickleball paddle that balances power, control, and comfort. Its combination of materials and thoughtful design elements makes it a solid choice for players seeking a high-quality, versatile paddle for all levels of play.